the second term that refers to unity of believers is the body of Christ. So we read 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 12 to 27.
For just as the body is one and has many members, and all the members of the body, that many are one body. So it is which Christ, for by one Spirit we were all baptized into one body. Jews all Greek, slaves all free, and all were made to drink of one Spirit.
For the body does not consist of one member but of many. If the foot should say, because I am not a hand, I do not belong to the body, that would not make it any less a part of the body.
And if the Korithians should say, because I don't belong to the body, that will not make it any less a part of the body. If the body were where would be clearly? If the full body were an ear, where would be the sense of smell?
But as God arranges the organs in the body, each one of them has its own source. If all were a single organ, where would the body be?
As it is there are many parts, yet one body.
The eye cannot say to the hand, I have no need of you, nor again the head to the feet, I have no need of you.
On the contrary, the part of the body which seem to be weaker and indispensable,
And those parts of the body which we think less honorable, we neglect the greater honor, and our impossible parts are treated with the great honor.
Which are more presentable parts do not require, but God has so composed the body, giving the greater honor to the inferior parts.
That there may be no discord in the body, but that the members may have the same care for one another.
If one member suffers, all suffers together. If one member is honored, all rejoice together.
Now you are the body of this Christ and individually members of it, and God has appointed in the church first apostles, second prophets, third teachers, then workers of miracles, then healers, helpers, administrators, speakers in various kinds of tongues.
Our teachers who are
We were supposed to reach verse 27, right? Yes. So